Welcome everybody, I'm Chris and this is the unboxing of the Aputure Amaran M9. Let's see what's inside. Here we have product manual and the warranty card. Inside this pouch we have the light itself. We have 3 different diffusers. We have a micro USB charging cable. And we have a connector that we can mount the Aputure M9. The Aputure M9 can be used as a fill light. Its color temperature is around 5500 Kelvin. At a distance of 0.3 meter it has around 900 lux. At a distance of 0.5 meter it has around 350 lux. And at a distance of 1 meter it has around 80 lux. It has 9 LEDs. The LEDs can be configured for 9 different brightnesses. It is powered by a lithium polymer battery. At full brightness, the battery lasts more than 1.5 hours and it takes around 3 hours for a full charge. And it can be charged via the micro USB cable. It weighs around 140 grams and is about the size of a credit card. To insert the diffusers, just remove the front plate, which is held on to the housing magnetically. Place it over and put it back. At the bottom of the mount you can also find a 1/4 inch 20 female thread. To mount the M9 into the bracket, just insert it and twist the screw. To start the light, simply switch the on-off button on the side, and to adjust the brightness, just press either the plus or the minus button. Next to it you can find the micro USB port for charging. The bag makes it very easy to carry it around. As mentioned, the Aputure M9 is meant as a fill light, however it is also very successful with vloggers. Thanks for watching.